Beautifully handsome.
What about me, mommy?
Lispy bottom.
What about Apple, mommy?
She's gorgeous, beautiful, sexy.
Why should be happy birthday, lesbian?
Okay, blow the pussy.
You teach them how to lie, ma.
Grandchildren, what are you going to say to them?
Be quiet, idiot.
Mga kulto to, sis.
Kau leader.
Ma, can you buy us a game?
How much?
$200 lang.
Okay, we'll get it when you have a job. Okay? Get out of my face. It's in the face of Gino.
Why would you put a rug here if I cannot use it?
She has a
It's
point,
not-
mother. She has
Be
a point.
quiet. It's not a rug, it's a floor poster. Idiot. Move it. Move it. Pangatlo raw ito. Pero mo yun. Alam mo, dapat tas-tasin ang ano niyan. Ang itlog.